Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm reviewing two new products that I saw at Walgreens, and it was like buy one get one free. So I was like, you know what, I'll try it. It seems pretty cool. The product I'm using first is the Maui Moisture Haircare Thicken and Restore Bamboo Fibers. It's for weak, brittle hair, densifies, revive, and strength. Exotic bamboo fibers, rich castor oil, and lush neem oil. Of course, it's sulfate free, all the parabens free, no gluten, no mineral oil, no silicones, none of the things that you're concerned about your natural hair. The smell, let's see, what's the smell? I couldn't really place the smell. It kind of smells like a very light version of an Abercrombie & Fitch store. Like, you know how they always spraying that cologne everywhere in Abercrombie & Fitch, and it's so strong you can smell it probably like 5 feet away from the store. It smells a little bit like that. It smells nice. It's like pleasant. It's not a strong scent. And so I'm working this into my hair. It doesn't give off a lot of lather, I guess because it has so many natural ingredients in here, like aloe. It has, of course, water and coconut and castor oil. It has a lot of these things that don't require a lot of foam. It says. Okay, so anyway, I'm washing this, and then when I rinse it out, it feels doesn't feel like my hair is completely stripped, but it feels a little bit, not dry, but it's like a little hint of it. So now I am using the conditioner, which is the Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter for dry damaged hair, softens, cringe, repairs. It's creamy, it has creamy shea butter, rich coconut oil, and pure macadamia oil. Now I use this in place of my Aussie Moist to detangle my hair, and guys, oh my gosh, this is a great detangler. Like really great. Like I didn't have any problems detangling my hair. I like this so much, and because of the ingredients that they have in here, like aloe is the first ingredient, just like the shampoo, and it has coconut oil, and I love coconut oil, and it has all these different types of seeds and all these oils in here. I love it. Anyhow, so yes, I would replace this with my Aussie Moist, but the price tag is like $9.99, and Aussie Moist is like $5, like $4.99. So of course I'm gonna go with the cheaper version. So yeah, I'm gonna detangle my hair. All in all, I do like the shampoo and conditioner. Yes, I would use it again, and yes, I would recommend that you buy it. So I'm just going to finish this up, and I'm going to see if they have a deep conditioner. I'm pretty sure they do, because I want to try that out too. And I also want to try out the leave-in conditioner. I really do like this product. And it smells nice too. Like, what does the conditioner smell like? It's like a subtle sweet smell. I like it. It's not too fragranty. Anywho, so I am finishing my hair. Thank you guys for watching this video. I wanted to make it really short and quick. As you see, I did not have a lot of shedding, which was awesome. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and push the notification button. That way you know the next time I upload a video, which is every Tuesday. Until next time, have a good day, and bye.